Hello everyone! In order to make this clay house, start off by taking an empty container. Now take this brown bit of clay, add an outline to it as such, and then use it as the dough onto your container. Now take this red piece of clay, make it into this top hat-like shape, and then add it on top of the container. Now afterwards, add this green clay as the base grass, and then take these earbud-like shapes and then arrange it in a circular shape in order to make a flower. Insert this onto a stem and then make multiple of these. Add little mushrooms and black dots all around to make the pebbles as well. Add lights within and there you have it. Next, in order to make this sword, start off by taking a sheet of paper. It should be square and then cut it in half. Taking one strip of it, make this arrowhead-like shape on one side and now fold on either side to make it meet in the center. Do this 2 times. Open it up once and then fold it over from the bottom to the top as such. Now make it narrow at the top and then make it even narrow at the bottom and make this into the handle. Next, take the other strip of paper that you have taken, fold it over on either side, make this arrowhead-like shape out of it, and now insert your sword into it to make the sheath of the sword. Next, we'll start off by taking some dried flowers. Now after this, take multiple twigs and then arrange it in these diagonal, horizontal and vertical shapes. Stick them together using a hot glue gun. Take this transparent sheet and then afterwards fold it over multiple times into the triangle. Cut it straight through. Open it up and you should form this almost circular shape. Add the twigs in the middle of it and cut off the excess of this. And now stick these twigs at the top as well vertically. There you have this decorative umbrella. Next, in order to make this, we'll start off by taking some papers in 2 different colors. It should be 7.5 by 7.5 centimeter sheets of paper. Fold over 2 of the corners to make it meet in the center and then fold them over diagonally. Now begin to insert one into the other as such and then afterwards press them together. Now do this alternatively with 2 different colors as such, and then while you're inserting the last piece, you should have formed a circular shape out of it. Now in order to make this card, we'll start off by taking a black and white sheet of paper. Now to begin with, take a square sheet of paper, fold it over into a smaller square, diagonally fold it over once more, and then afterwards cut off the edge of it and then make it curved. Afterwards, make this heart shape out of it, make a small slit at the top, and then fold over the edges. Now cut out the shape in order to make the bow tie, fold over either of the edges to make it meet in the center. Afterwards, add these little button-like shapes, open it out and then add a message in the center. In order to make this launcher, start off by taking 2 sheets of paper, add them one on top of the other, make this arrowhead-like shape out of one of the sides, fold either of the sides outside as such. Now afterwards, after you've formed the center of it, take another sheet of paper, fold it into half. Fold it into another half once you're done with this. Now lift the bottom edge upwards and then the top downwards as such, and then lift it back up. Make a small slit on the right side and then afterwards add a rubber band to it as such. Add the rubber band all the way to the back and now insert your aeroplane through it and let it launch. Now in order to make this, we'll start off by taking a green sheet of paper, fold it up and then make this pea shape out of it. Add tape on top of it after you've drawn it on and now cut it out according to the shape. Once you're done with this, add tape onto the other 2 ends and the edges of it and stick it together. Now take a strip of green paper, roll it over as such. Now add tape around this as well and then afterwards add it onto a rubber band. Make about 3 of these and then insert it on the other side. Pull it through and then tape this to the back. Next, take these straws and then join them together using a hot glue gun. Make this arrowhead-like shape out of one of the ends, make a hole at the top and then add a little decorative piece to the top of it. Thank you for watching.